Alright guys, I'm back in another recording so I can get more of this storm. As we are looking forward to, we are looking at 35-mile winds. That's what we're gonna get. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, we might lose power. I can record that. I can try. I can use my GoPro or something. I don't know. It's really windy outside today.
Capo's gonna take this and store it in the moon. Hey, this business make it go to the moon.
I don't want to buy him back.
Hey, don't.
I'm a professional trained meteorologist reporting on the snow. Ah! That was my favorite TikTok ever. Oh well.
Him on the moon. Him on the moon, huh? Now we'll go now we'll die. No longer die.
Trying to open this window.
Yeah, no one can jump like that. We're gonna spin this down. No! Hey, mate!
Hey guys, what's that? Oh my god.
No!
And yeah, you guys can see my siren. It's okay. It looks kind of cool in the storm. Try to record this storm better.
One down, one's behind it, one's over here.
Holy! Holy!
One's down on the bagel thing, but the other dude's dropping.
Holy
down
guacamole, guys! Holy cow. This is a really bad
The other
storm,
dudes are
guys.
up here.
Make sure not to go outside, by the way, right now. This is the storm in Rockford, Illinois. It's worse in other areas, trust me. Like, this is just like the start. Like the 35-mile wind gusts. This isn't even as bad as it's supposed to get. This isn't even as bad as it's supposed to get. So you guys, get prepared for the storm. As well as if you're a storm spotter, this is definitely going to be pretty dangerous. But not that dangerous because it's not even strong winds. It's 35-mile winds. It's just little gusts. Oh my god, guys. This is really bad. Yeah, this is another one of those videos in the winter. See, hi guys. Flipping the switch. Guys, we're probably gonna lose power. Actually, no, we might not.
Motherfucking
Ah, god damn it, guys. I don't even know what part of this is on our electricity box, but whatever it is, it's like flying.
There's the access card right there.
Oh no! Oh no. Dude, no. We're gonna lose power. Guys, we're gonna lose power. There's no way. We're gonna lose power. We're gonna lose power. Oh no, guys, we're gonna lose power. I know we are. My recital. I think it's very idle to Rocco ride this route on time is tricky. Here you go, it's straight to Rocco ride this route on time is tricky. It's tricky. Here we go, it's straight to Rocco ride that's right on time it's tricky. Yeah.
I'm telephone.